Lesson 18. Level B1. B1 plus. Present perfect simple. What haven't you done yet? Story 1.
Liam, 38 years old, USA. Shoot! My guests will be here in 15 minutes, and I haven't finished making dinner yet. In fact, I have barely started. I have only preheated the oven, peeled the potatoes, onions, and carrots, and marinated the beef. The beef and the vegetables need to bake for at least 45 minutes, and I haven't even put them into the oven yet. To make things worse, I have just realized that there is no cream left in the fridge. I won't be able to make the pavlova cake for dessert without it. I would ask my daughter Emily to run to the supermarket, but she hasn't returned home from school yet. She probably hasn't finished her Spanish class yet because she is not picking up the phone. My 4-year-old twins are having a nap now, so I can't leave them and go there myself. By the way, have you seen the messy carpet in the living room? I haven't vacuumed it yet. What a disaster.
Story 2.
Amelia, 24 years old, Poland. What a busy month I've had so far. I'm graduating from university in 3 weeks, and there are so many things that I haven't done yet. I have to proofread an essay for my sociology class. It's almost done, but I haven't sent it to the professor yet. If I don't do it by midnight this Friday, I will fail the class. I have invested a lot of time, effort, and money into my studies, so I can't let that happen. I can imagine how disappointed my parents would be if I didn't graduate this year. I also haven't translated a few important documents into English yet, and I need to do it to receive my diploma. I've promised myself that I'll translate them this afternoon. I have to admit that I'm a procrastinator. I tend to leave everything until the last minute. My best friend Paulina hasn't done it yet either, so that makes me feel a bit better.
Story 3.
Joseph, 30 years old, Albania. I've just found an excellent last-minute vacation deal on the web. My fiancée Cornelia and I have always dreamed of going to Mexico, but we've never been able to afford it. We haven't been abroad yet, so it would be our first overseas trip. This is the best deal I have seen, but I haven't booked the vacation yet. I probably should hurry because the offer will be gone soon, but I need to discuss it with Cornelia first. It would annoy her if I made the decision without consulting her about it. I've called her twice, but there is no signal. Perhaps she has switched off her phone because her meeting at work hasn't finished yet. I have to wait for her anyway because my boss hasn't sent me my salary yet, so I don't have enough money in my bank account to pay for the vacation now. I hope that she will be as excited about this deal as I am.
The end of Lesson 18.